Today on the Lazy Geckos, Mama has the reins.
Nice little one piece. It'll be easier with holding the baby on my own. At least nothing's gonna be falling out.
The captain has left the boat and I'll be handling all the tasks while living aboard with kids. A little work, a little fun, and we'll also have a disaster unfold. Let's do it.
I think we are ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna spend a little bit of time on the computer answering patron emails, messages, do some Instagramming, Lazy Gecko Sailing, and also my Instagram, LGS Brittany. Reese actually called it when we were leaving the boat to go to the pool. He's like, Mom, you need to shut off the water. I'm like, no, I don't want to shut off the water because I want to turn on the water heater so the water's hot when we get back. And he's like, no, you got to shut it off. That's how like boats sink. And I'm like, no, no, no. Well, we went to the pool, came back, and Reese goes in the bathroom to shower. He's like, Mom, I hear a noise from the toilet. I'm like, okay, what's the noise? What did it sound like?
A hissing.
Hissing noise. I'm like, oh man, what is that noise? So we looked into it a little bit further, and what was it?
What was it? A leak?
A leak. A leak had sprung. Mm-hmm. So he was right all along. A leak had sprung.
Wouldn't you know it? It's been 2 years since the captain has been gone for the night and the boat pops a leak. Thankfully, Reese has great hearing because you could hardly hear the hissing. I know for sure Jeremiah wouldn't hear it. He's borderline deaf.
So the toilet had sprung a leak, freshwater leak. Had we been gone all day, it could potentially sink our boat. So you were right. We should have shut the water off. How did you? You're so smart. And you're the one that caught the leak. You can go play your video game now. He didn't like that I pulled him away. We came in and we could hear the toilet just shh. Of course it happened when Jeremiah was gone, the only day that we ever don't spend together. So I kind of pulled up the floorboard, got under there with a flashlight and looked around to find out what was leaking. So you can tell there's a lot of moisture in there. You can see it all. The leak was actually coming from underneath this stuff, and I could see the mist all in that hole right there, almost like a cloud misting of fog. And then I kind of looked under here, and I could see there was some type of leak under here. I had Jeremiah on FaceTime, and we ended up shutting off the valve that allows the fresh water to flow with the toilet.
All right, so that fresh water tube obviously poked a hole that happened before too, but it's new, but it's just a piece of shit design. So you could pee in it and then put some water in the bowl from the shower head.
Okay.
If you want, flush it, you know.
And then flush
really
it that way.
use the toilet over there.
Like
Yeah.
when Bryn's sleeping tonight.
Yeah.
What happened? We have a leak?
Yeah, that hose, that white hose you saw,
Yeah.
that goes through the floor there and it goes up behind the toilet. That hose supplies the water to the toilet. It rubs around that hole and it rubs the whole hole.
All right, well, that was fun. I'm naked, so I gotta let you go so I can like situate myself. I'm filming this, by the way. Just so you know, I'm home alone with the kids, had a catastrophe at the pool, and I'm doing maintenance, and you're on the phone, and I'm filming it. Goodbye.
All right.
And then Reese looks at me after all this. He goes, yep, see, Mom? Should have shut off the water. I'm like, man, you are good. You were such a boat kid. He's just like his dad. Always thinking of that stuff. And me, I'm like, it'll be fine. I'm not going to worry about it. Now I'll probably live a little longer than Jeremiah because I don't worry about it. But super cool to have like a boat kid like that. He'll probably end up living on a boat when he's older, doing what we're doing. He'll have lots of knowledge and a dad who can tell him how to fix anything.
Okay, so I really don't know what to do with myself. It's quiet. The baby's still napping. Oh, now she's moving around. Okay, well, that'll give me something to do. Usually I have Jeremiah to talk to. There she is. Can you see? Oh, yeah. I went to go grab some salsa because I'm like, ooh, that sounds good. Jeremiah ate the salsa yesterday. I'm like, is there any left? Yeah, there is. This is what he left me. There's none in there. I'm gonna make my own. I'm gonna make my own salsa, waiting on the baby to wake up. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to start day drinking because I'm lonely and it's quiet. Making my own salsa. I saw that I had a big can of petite diced tomatoes. I'm gonna pour it in there. I'm just kind of going with it. I chopped up like half a little pint of the cherry tomatoes. throw them in there. Took the rest of the onion I had in the fridge, which was like half an onion. And then I love garlic, so I kind of overloaded the garlic. And I threw in some jalapenos. I'm gonna throw it all in there. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna do probably like 2 tablespoon-ishes of lime juice. That's probably 1. And I'm gonna say that's probably 2. Chives, why not? Throw them in there. I didn't have any green onions, so I'll just throw some chives in there. A little bit of cumin and a little sprinkle. I'm not measuring anything, it's salsa. How could you possibly go wrong with salsa? I'm gonna put in a little chili pepper. Salt and pepper, you can't like take that out, right? And then I'm gonna put it in the food processor and blend it all up. Hopefully it tastes good. And that's gonna be my salsa. There. Oops, spilled some. I can already hear Jeremiah now. Oh my gosh, the camera. It's okay, it didn't hit the camera. I'm gonna put it in the food processor in my bedroom so I don't wake up the baby. And then hopefully it's good. It's awfully quiet, isn't it?
Yeah.
What are we all eating? Shouldn't like her boot. I made a little veggie sub. Every veggie you can imagine on some gluten-free bread. And Bryn is eating some squash and they're like ricey noodles. She's not a fan. Oh, maybe she is. Here she goes. Daddy is stuck in traffic.
Really?
And we're here.
Oh no.
What we've done is come up with a system to be able to flush the toilet. Oh boy, I can't do this. Maybe I can hold it with a foot. So if somebody goes pee, since the water is shut off, the fresh water to the toilet, we just take the shower, run some water in the toilet, and then we have fresh water to be able to flush it. Just like that.
That's pretty interesting.
What do you think of Mom doing boat maintenance, filming, taking care of kids? Mom's got it on lockdown.
Yeah.
I got it under control.
Yeah.
We'll survive.
Yeah. Is it always gonna be like that?
No, Daddy's gonna come home and do the real maintenance.
Okay.
A well-earned drink. Hey, when on a boat, I guess that would be Rome, but you get the picture. Sometimes nap time is the best time. So today, I'll be taking advantage of it by laying out on the bow with a drink in hand. I'm fixing leaks, people. Well, stopping them anyway. I got dinner left, a little bit of playtime with the baby, and then I'll be tucked away for the night, probably with a nice glass of wine, and just watching a girl show.
I didn't want to do anything big, so I made like a vegetable quesadilla. We got sweet potatoes. Oh, big girl. Coming in hot. Reeser has sweet potatoes with a hamburger. What do you think so far without Daddy?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, fine. Quiet.
Quiet, right?
Yeah.
How does Dad add so much noise to the mix?
I don't know.
You know what the man of the house does, right? What?
Dishes.
Yeah, whoever cooks doesn't do dishes. Did you cook?
Well, I wanted to today. I actually thought about cooking it.
Oh, you thought about it?
Because I never did on Valentine's Day.
You didn't say very much. You should have done it. Uh-huh. You're doing a good job, son. You want to go on a walk with me?
Sure.
Yay! You know who usually goes on a walk with me?
Dad.
Yeah, Daddy's not here, so you're going to go on a walk with me, right? That is so sweet. I love you so much. You look messy. What do I do with you?
It was a good day. All of them are. We usually try to go for a nice walk along the docks at night when at a marina. This is a luxury that isn't easy while at anchor.
Are you going to sleep with me tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, are you going to sleep on Daddy's side?
No, your side.
Why?
Because it's on the inside.
Oh, you'd rather be on the inside?
Yeah.
Aw. What are you playing?
Fortnite. Red versus Blue.
What line are you playing, a game or just get out of there? Let's see who's online.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get out of the battle pass while I wait this party.
Can you invite me again?
Yes. It's not gonna work on your phone. Where's the Nintendo?
Dad has the Nintendo. He's trying to play with you at the hotel. I'm trying to surprise you and you're ruining it.
Hi, Dad. Can and I'll be
That's Daddy! Daddy!
3, 2, 1, SpaghettiOs.
Something in our family is that we love the King of Queens, don't we? Let's put that over there so it doesn't get on my white sheets. Because we've all seen what happens when that happens. You get banned from eating near a bed.
It was time to snuggle in for the night. It's so nice to have the kids to cuddle with when Daddy is away. Coming up,
You ready?
Yeah.
This is marriage, people.
the captain is back and we're getting wild.
So, how is your welcome home gift?
He'll also get that repair going.
Chicken fajitas.
And we're provisioning Calypso.
Fixed the trampoline today.
We're gonna put them on.
The work never ends, but the captain knows how to keep me happy.
I got a drink for you.
Thank you.
Come along as we sail for the islands.
My heading is about 20 miles south of West End.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.